好，我们今天呢要玩这一款 Service IT，那我先玩 Demo 版，毕竟是免费的。那如果感觉还不错的话，我就来玩一下正式版。好麻烦哦，可以自动选择。哦，这么多可以选哦，选个萝莉好了。这个看起来都差不多啊，真好，酷炫点。喂，没有。
Welcome to your new service office. My name is Evelyn. I will assist you. Before we start, I have to make sure that you are not a robot. Good. Now, turn around. Excellent. You got the
选内
basics
基
of
本
being
要
human. Now, let's go to work. Sometimes you will need some parts. Please, make an order. To do it, go to your computer. Oh, something is wrong.
哦，对。哇，一开始我的电脑就被害了。我靠！
I just got disconnected. I feel different. What was that? Oh, you have to be
不先
careful.
换台电脑
We
吗？
will work on security, but for now, let's come back to your work.
你是新来的，我们不需要有新人。如果你不想发生不好的事，请立即关闭服务。不错啊，我想要发生不好的事情。有一些合同已经送达。OK， 我的 contract。那也来到 Best Bank 了，哇！难道这游戏还需要借贷？不是吧？我终于成功了，所以恭喜你，有是 IT 服务的拥有者，我还有很长溜走，以稳定我的事业获得满足。最严格客户要求的经验，我知道你们办到了，我会提前告诉你重要的变化和有用的讯息。OK， 好，谢谢。Span 是啥手 ？OK， 现
Click
在
on Shop and then on the Configure tool.
点击商店，然后点击配置器。
Choose motherboard, processor, and RAMs.
果然一开始就应该要换台电脑。主机板、处理器、内存。
Go to checkout and place your
680
order.
块。这里结账。
That was an exhausting day. Anyway, that's it for now. Go home, use the doors to quit, and finish your day.
这个门，这就是我家哦。这是我家啊。我怎么进不去我家门？这个看一下哦，控制灵敏度低一点哈。回家 ？Damn， 我不知道怎么回家。框，你在跟我开玩笑？我感觉换成英文会比较好。
The parts have arrived, so you can get down to business. Open the package by holding down the left mouse button on it.
按住打开包裹，按住了。 电箱是什么？托盘、框。哦，这个。OK。
Now put the motherboard on the workstation. To do this, just left-click on the workstation while holding the motherboard. Then go to work mode by clicking on the workstation.
工作站在哪？这个、哦。按住主机板的情况下单击。哎呀，我靠，这不能乱甩啊！工作站，我不是这个，我总不能在这么小的地方工作吧？哦，这里是。
WSAD keys. Movement. Zoom in out. The scroll wheel. Change the camera angle. Hold down the RMB and move the mouse.
太暗。
Now let's move on to putting the motherboard together. It's easy, you'll see. Unlock the lever and CPU cover by clicking on them.
解锁杠杆。杠杆。这个吗？解锁插槽。要怎么离开这个画面？Hold 右键。Shift bro。组装主机板。好，我现在要去组装，但是我离不开啊。Q 1。我怎么离开这？Shift Z。改变视角，摁住右键。哦。按住右键，这样改变视角。按住左键了。LR 例如不是使用主机板。哥，你能给个小提示吗？他妈，我现在什么东西都动不了。哦，我靠！我按 Tab 就出现这个了。好，等一下。插入。插啊，哥。Next. ESC 可以退出这里。对啊，这个是傻笑。 好，再来一次。再回来一次。好，这样子进去，这样进不去啊。我的滑鼠，我靠，这是 CPU。好，先进来。应该要用一下螺丝吧。插呀，插。我现在空间左键。没关系，我们再来一次。
Welcome to your new service office.
重
My
生
name is
之
Evelyn. I will assist you. Before we start, I have food. Now, turn around. Excellent.
好，
You got the basics of being human. Now, let's go to war. Something is wrong.
这边跳过。
Close your service now or face dire consequences. We're watching. I just got disconnected. I feel different. Oh, you have to be careful. Click on Shop and then on the configurator. Choose motherboard, processor and RAMs. Go to checkout and laser. That was an exhausting day. Anyway, that's it for now. Go
这
home.
也是。
Use the doors to the parts have arrived.
现在超
So
顺
you
手。
can get
好，我
down
们
to
快速的来
business.
到刚刚的地方。
Open the package and now put the motherboard on the workstation. To do this, just left click on the workstation. WSAD keys. Movement. Zoom in out. The scroll view. Change the camera angle. Hold down the RMB and move the mouse.
点击工作在右上角红色屏。
Now let's move on to putting the motherboard together. It's easy, you'll see. Unlock the lever and CPU cover by clicking on them.
单击它们解锁杠杆和 CPU 板。哇！
Insert the CPU by clicking on the slot and selecting the appropriate item. Remember that the items you want to put in must always be in your inventory. Lock the slot by clicking on the CPU cover and lever. Very well. Let's move on. Unlock the area. Click on the slot and select the appropriate item to place there.
选择你要控制的适当物品。
Exit the mode by clicking ESC. Now you can sell the motherboard at a profit. To sell an item, hold Alt and left mouse button on
并
it.
在其下单上单击左键。我头在哪？ 单击左键。按住并在其单击左键。
Before we go any further, I have something for you. Open the box on the table.
The table.
On the phone you will find useful applications. Some of them are also on your computer. Notes store information
可以
useful
储
in
存、
performing
除、
certain
执
activities.
行，
To
看
hide
怎
or
么好
move
办
the。phone, press Q. Let me show you another way to make money. Open the contracts app on your phone.
我怎么打开手机？不是这个 ，Phone P。打开手机，怎么打？哦 Q。合同应用程式。
Here you will find job orders from clients. Accept the available order.
拿500
After
块。
accepting the order, you will get an email with details from the client. So now open the email application. The Active Server application is on your computer desktop. Enter the application.
我想，这些人士通常会帮助我们，但现在休假了，我也想休假了。已经并更改以下内容。好，等下他要我干嘛？更改以下内容，删除用户。OK， 虽然我不知道为什么这种事情是我要做。
This is where client follow the order. Once you've done everything, enter the contracts application and complete the order.
等一下，这个吗？Clean 的密码 ，Clemens Roth。我可以添加我自己进去吗？我靠，等一下。好，应该都做完了吧？并检查这位下次登录时，哥，我觉得我做完了。是这个吧？强制在下次时更改密码，这个应该要够。我看一下啊。删除、更改并检查是否需要更改密码。它完成了，我是要去合同。 完成。
Congratulations, you have completed your first contract. Take a rest, and when you come back, we will continue to work with you. Move on to the next day.
哇，5星好评哎，所以哦。
Welcome back. Now go to your computer and turn on the course's application.
Courses.
Here you can acquire new skills and develop the ones you already have. Each course will teach you how to perform a certain activity, unlock new contracts, and much more. It just so happens that I have a discount for you on your first course, so you can Welcome to the soldering course. Pick up the RFID board and place it on the soldering station.
拿起 RFID 板，然后点击焊接，应该是那个上过铜的那个焊接板吧？哎，真的。哦，读卡器。这样，我先把它放下。
Now enter the working mode by
Enter。哦，要拾取，请使用右键放下物品，左键。OK。哦，这边还是我擅长的地方。 我这个要按住，要盖子跟螺丝这个对要对很准。
Put down the screwdriver and remove the cover by clicking on it.
哇，100万美元不用工作了。看起来怪怪的，我要做什么？确认报告一看就知道诈骗了。这讯息在我干嘛？其实我挺想被骗的啊。点击指数确认的。 Click, bro， 骗我也要有点诚意吧？为什么点击没有？OK。
Take it easy when holding the left mouse button on the board. Move the mouse until the dirt disappears.
这个是什么东西啊？ 这是进度条，好像不用甩，甩反而不会加进度条。看起来很干净啊，现在还有哪里不干净？哦，这里的多用表。 应该选择哪个模式？探针按住左鼠标，它就是会了。OK。
Turn on the multimeter. Set the appropriate mode for the component you want to measure.
太大。
Pick up the probes and measure the resistor values.
OK， 102跟821都是2K， 其他都是20K。好，102、821。我要怎么？哦，这打开，跳。欧姆，等下，对，欧姆200，要2000，测102跟821。102，821。好，管它了，看起来差不多。5.1，6。摆脱固定的焊锡木，拿起焊接举平，并按住焊接在破坏轮左边的。怎么那么复杂？看一下，快速测为300度，好，300度。摆脱固定元件。在焊锡，我靠！哦 ，OK，
On this soldering iron, set the temperature to 300 with the red button and desolder the resistor. Remember that the element has to solder.
焊接局这个打开，好，300度了，然后去焊接电阻。OK， 混。好，放下。
Now exit the working mode and take to inventory a new resistor from the container on the other table.
C 什么鬼东西的吗？这个。
Now return to the workstation and enter the working mode. When you enter working mode, you can have items in inventory, but you can't have anything in your hand. To hide items together with the inventory, press Tab.
这样子。
Click on the dissolved component to discard it, then click where it lay, and choose from the available options to put a new resistor in its place. After that, solder the element.
好，我靠，竟然没关。这教学对吗？不应该先关掉吗？好，哎呀，电子右下角，不。如果容易滴是绿的红色。不得不更换所有不起作用的元件。
Click on the cable connector to connect it. Set the appropriate values on the power supply using the knobs.
电缆连接，
Check that the board is working.
使用旋钮。5 先看一下。11到13，1.8，这么大。看一下哦，放在下面不用管。多少？11到13。那我就来一个11.5。那这个是2.5，小点，跟2.0，好。使用旋钮 ，OK。
Good. Disconnect the cable. Put the cover in place and screw in the screws.
把盖子放好。你这个要怎么关掉？啊，就放着。盖子被我掉，哦，这螺丝，哦，可以这样吗？还有，真不错。
Exit the working mode. Pick up the reader and put it on the blue-orange rack.
拿起读卡器，将其放在蓝层架子上。拿起来了。蓝层架子上，这个。
Well done. You've completed the course. I won't imprison you in VR.
Yeah.
I see you're a fast learner. You
好，
have no
先
contract.
这样。保存游戏。OK。